Autism is just, it's almost like a puzzle. It's just trying to put different pieces together in order to form a livable situation for somebody like Troy. When Troy was younger, his sister Nadia realized that he could benefit from some more visual direction. So being an artist, she would draw instructions or draw what she wanted him to do or where she wanted him to go. Not only was he able to do it, but he enjoyed doing it. That blossomed into her wanting to create something for not just Troy, but everybody. And in that, she created MagnusCards. This partnership with Whirlpool and MagnusCards will really help a lot in teaching skills around the home, focusing on everyday tasks such as the laundry, baking, and this will prepare Troy for going out into the world, like taking care of himself. That's a big part of his life. It relieves some of the anxieties as a parent. Seeing society become more understanding and accepting of people like Troy has made me very happy for the future because it can only get better.